Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up stop loss on Webull options. First, understand that a stop loss order is crucial for managing risk in options trading. It automatically triggers a sell order if your option's price falls to a predetermined level, helping to protect your capital. Webull provides this functionality to help you manage your positions effectively. This tool is vital for both new and experienced options traders. To place a stop loss, begin by selecting the option contract you want to protect within your Webull account. Once you've chosen your contract, select the sell option. From the order type drop-down, you'll choose either stop or stop limit. Then, simply enter the specific price at which you want your stop loss to activate. Remember to confirm the number of contracts you wish to cover. When setting your stop loss, carefully consider the parameters. The stop price is the trigger point. If you opt for a stop limit order, you'll also set a limit price, ensuring your order executes at that price or better once triggered. Next, select your order duration, day for end-of-day cancellation, or good till canceled for up to 90 days. Adjusting these settings is key to effective risk management. Before finalizing, always review your stop loss order details to ensure accuracy. It's also wise to regularly adjust your stop loss levels as the market evolves, adapting to new price action. Remember that in fast-moving markets, a stop order might not execute at your exact stop price, potentially leading to slippage. For more trading insights and other great deals, check the description below for links, including Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.